Alrighty, so this is my screencast for my Google form that I made, and I just kind of did entry-level kind of diagnostic questions, just kind of basic ones about the Constitution, and sent them out to some friends and family members. So, and I really like Google Forms. It's very useful because I can put different types of questions in here. I can do short answer if I want, which I didn't do any for this because that would be a little different for diagnostics. But I did do two different types. So you have your just classic multiple choice here, and then I also did one where you select multiple. And then I just kind of went back to the regular multiple choice. So it has lots of great applications for it. And so as far as results go, I can just go over here responses, which is really easy, and then I can look at each question, and it'll give me percentages of who answered what. And I sent this mainly to my parents and my sister and my cousin. And it looks like they don't know the Constitution a whole lot, but it's all right. It's okay. So here, this one here gives you the 50%. 50%, it shows you like with the multiple select, which is really nice. And then this gives you just each of the multiple choice answers, which is also very nice. So this is just kind of a diagnostic like question. And I really like the whole like survey thing, because I think it's the best tool just to kind of use to get to know where your students are at already. Things kind of like that, so you know what to teach towards and everything. I think is definitely a great good advantage there. So thank you.